It was a great unification of Konkani and Marathi cultures at the 11th Goa Marathi Film Festival on Friday, rather a historic moment. The Marathi Film Fest conferred Lifetime Achievement Award on Goa's Nightingale Lorna. The three-day film festival will conclude on Sunday.
The whole galaxy of Marathi film industry was on stage of Kala Academy to inaugurate the three-day film festival as well as to cheer up Goa's Nightingale Lorna. The festival was inaugurated at the hands of Goa Governor Mrudula Sinha, along with Art and Culture Minister Govind Gowde and Bollywood film director Madhur Bhandarkar. The real historic moment was the Lifetime Achievement Award to Lorna. Governor Mrudula Sinha, who is also a veteran writer, said it was great to see three generations of Marathi film are together on the stage to inaugurate the festival.
तीन पीढ़ियां यहाँ साथ हैं। मैं इन तीनों पीढ़ियों को बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद देती हूँ और बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ।
Lorna enthralled the audience with a song while the whole crowd cheered.
Now तुझे भी तोरी गोयला काळजार खातून उतरा तुझी दो बोल्या मनान गुंतून चुरचुरे मोशे केले ना तुवें
Our video journalist Shamchari from Panji.